What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today we're working on a 2004 Cadillac CTS. And the trunk does not want to unlatch when you push the button inside or on the remote when the trunk is closed. You might also have a problem with your tail lights. These are two separate problems that you might have, but the cause of the problem is these wires here. The constant moving when the trunk opens and closes breaks them, and I'm pretty sure this is a common problem because somebody's been in here before to fix the tail lights. But the way you can figure out which wire is bad is take a multimeter, and the brake is going to be somewhere in here. So somewhere in here is the brake. You're going to take your multimeter, put it on continuity right there, and all that means is that the wire is connected. When it's connected, you're going to get a beep. So we're going to take one end, touch it onto these terminals here, and you can see the colors of the wires here. The black one's ground, the tan one is power to open the trunk, and the other one tells the car when the trunk is open or closed. And you're going to come down here a little farther than where it's going to be broken. It's going to be broken here where it's bending, and just stab the wires with the probes, and if it doesn't beep, you know that's the problem, and you need to I added a thicker wire, so this hopefully won't happen again. I also put some curly stuff around the wiring to give it a little more flex, and just replace that section of wire. Cut it up here, cut it here, because the brake's in here in the middle, and that's it.